E te iwi o whangaroa, kua roa nei tō tātou hīkoitanga, mai I te hainatanga o te tiriti o Waitangi I o tātou tūpuna, tai noa ki tēnei wā. Ngā takenga mai is our story, our voice and our future. This draft discussion documents represents over 30 years of kōrero, research and mahi bringing together our history, our mamae and our aspirations for the future. Kia tātou katoa o whangaroa. This is our chance to shape the path forward, but we need your whakaaro and our united agreement so we can move forward together. This is also not just for claimants, but for all whangaroa descendants. Ngā takenga mai is an opportunity for all to be a part of this journey, so please share your whakaaro. We'll also soon be sharing more information about the process in our upcoming webinars, and you can provide your feedback by emailing kaiwhakahaere@whangaroapapahapu.org.nz or by joining in the kōrero online on Facebook.